Hello Geometry World. This is a video of example 5 for Geometry Topic 2, Lesson 1. Finding angle measures, where we actually get to apply what we've learned about corresponding same side interior, alternate exterior angles. The white trim shown for the wall of a barn should be constructed so that segment AC, let's see what that is, AC is parallel to EG, and segment JA is parallel to segment BH, or HB, and JC, segment JC, is parallel to segment KG. What should the measure of angle 1 and measure of angle 3 be? Well, they didn't tell you this, but right there, there's a 68 degrees. So this angle up top here is 68. And just from that, we can end up figuring out what angle 1 and angle 3 are because of the parallel lines. Now, there's going to be a different transversal every time, so that may confuse you a little bit. Let's look at their example. So they've done a diagram, which is nice. We don't need to look at the barn anymore. We have the diagram. Looking for parallel lines, we can see the same side interior angles postulate that measure of angle 1, this one, and 68 have to add up to 180 because of these parallel lines going this way and this way. So 180 minus 68 is 112. So we know the measure of angle 1 is 112. Okay. The other one we had to figure out was 3. Now try to picture how you're going to get to 3. I can see 3 is related to this angle here because they're vertical angles. And F is related to 1 from those parallel lines. So yeah, we can do that. Let's see what they did. Oh, they already did. I didn't notice that they had already done it for you. We have EAB, the 68, is congruent to, oh, they went this way, congruent to the 2 because they're corresponding angles. And then angle 2 is congruent to angle 3 because it's also corresponding angles from the other parallel lines and transversal. Therefore, measure of angle 3 must be 68. I was going to go with this one was 68 because F and 1 are supplementary. So there's other ways to do it, as long as you're getting the right answers. Like I mentioned before, with parallel lines and a transversal, all the angles either equal the original or 180 minus. Let's go to one where you should try. So your same diagram. This time they're also telling us that the measure of angle EJF is 56. And if the measure of EJF is 56, find the measure of FHK. Click pause, try to do that, and come on back. Well, if EJF is 56, this one up here, and they want us to find FHK, that's down here, that's like it's on the opposite side. How can you get from there to there? There's a few different ways. I'm going to take that this one, which is 56, is the same as this one because of corresponding angles. And if this one's 56, I know this one down here is 56 because it's also corresponding. And if this one's 56, then the linear pair right here has to be 180 minus 56. And 180 minus 56 is 124. I don't know if they're going to show the work or just show the answer. They just showed the answer, so sometimes that's not so helpful. So hopefully you caught on with the way that I described it. There might be some other ways, but if you got 124, good job. Let's see, is that the last? I think that's the last. Yep, it's the last example in the whole section. So here's what we learned in this section. There's 4 special angle relationships when parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the same side interior, where they're supplementary. There's alternate interior, where they're congruent. There's alternate exterior, where they're congruent. And there's corresponding, where they're congruent. Now, having done that example, you should be able to do these problems. 13, 14, 19, 20, 22, 12, 23, and 24. That's it for this video. Have a nice day.